Hi friends. All right, so we have a problem here to solve, and this is an exponential problem. 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x all over 2 raised to power x is equal to 9. So we want to know what x is all about. So let's dive in without wasting time. If this was not having a power here easily, it would have been easy for us to cross multiply. But to solve such question, well, first of all, break this into their individual fractions. So this becomes 4 raised to power x over 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x over 2 raised to power x is equal to 9. It's not the same thing. We did not do any magic. So in this form now, we can easily cancel out. So what is 2 raised to power how many times will 2 raised to power x go into 4 raised to power x? Now, this will go in here 2 times, because 2 times this will give you 4 of this. Now, the same thing also occurs here, plus this will divide this, so it will go in just 1, and we are left with 9. So remember previously I said you normally like to keep your exponential as an individual term in one side and move other terms to the other side. So therefore here now in this situation, plus 1 needs to move over here. For us to be able to eliminate plus 1 here, we introduce the inverse of plus 1, which is what? Minus 1. And the same thing you do here, you also repeat it in the other side. You introduce the inverse, minus 1. So in this situation, we are now left with what? 2 raised to power x. Now, what is plus 1 minus 1? You have one ball and you give it out. You're left with nothing. So 2 raised to power x will therefore become, what's 9 minus 1? 9 minus 1 is 8. Now, in this situation, I can always say, always try to see if you can make the base to be the same. Now, in this situation, we are having 8. What do we do for that? Now, we know that expressing 8 in its prime number is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 2 raised to power 3. So therefore, when we see 8, we substitute it with what? 2 raised to power 3. So we are left with 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 3. The exponent law says that when the base are the same, you equate the power. Therefore, x is equal to 3. And this is the answer to the question. Now, always remember, check your answers out. Take the value of 3 and put it in the place of x and check if you will get 9. Drop the answer in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye for now.